everyone, welcome to Knowledge Hub by Sri Chaitanya video sessions. So this is Sushmita, JEE Mathematics expert. So today let us see a question based on limits. So what's the question? Let's have a look. So the question is based on limit x tends to 0, integral 0 to x t sine 10t dt divided by x. So this is a special question where integral is involved in it. So this is asked in 2020 and you can see the options also. Let's try to see how to solve this. So the first thing, when a limit is given, what we are going to do? So we substitute the value of x and check what is happening. So here x equals to 0 if you substitute. So you are getting 0 to 0. The numerator becomes 0 and the denominator also becomes 0, which is indeterminate form, and that is why we have to use the L'Hopital's rule. So what does the L'Hopital's rule says? So we can differentiate the numerator and differentiate the denominator separately. Now what is the point here? So if you differentiate the denominator, derivative of x is 1, no problem. So how we are going to differentiate the numerator? Where integral is given. So this is where a Newton-Leibniz rule will work. So what does this say? So how do you differentiate an integral when the limit is x? So let's try to see how to differentiate this. So what is the rule says? The rule says just apply the upper limit in the function wherever the t is there. So what is that you get? So t is getting replaced with x. So x into sine 10x. Then the derivative of x is what you have to write, which is 1 minus, apply 0 in the function, it is getting 0, right? So there is no problem with that. So finally what is the derivative we are getting? X into sine 10x. So that is the derivative for the numerator. So according to the L'Hopital's rule, this is the derivative of numerator, derivative of denominator. And after applying the L'Hopital's rule, let's check what happens if you substitute x equals to 0. So substitute x equal to 0, you are getting 0 in the numerator, but denominator is 1. So 0 by 1, it's not an indeterminate form, the answer is directly 0, you can say. So this is the final answer. So it says the option number